So here we have this computer desk, and I can already tell by the size of the box that I'm probably gonna like it. Here I got everything laid out. There's the tabletop parts and then the metal frame here, along with all the hardware to put it together. I appreciate how all the parts are stickered. That'll make it really easy to put together. And also these threaded inserts are really nice. They make the desk a lot sturdier when everything's screwed together. So anyway, let's put this together and then I'll give you my initial impression. And also I'm going to be timing this, so let's go ahead and start that now. Starting off, we're just going to attach these center supports on these legs here. Once you get those together, attach them to these two longer pieces and start assembling the rest of the desk. And it has this X support in the back, which will make it nice and sturdy. Go ahead and screw in all 6 leveling feet on the bottom. Now it's time to build the shelves, and these are pretty simple with just one metal piece on each side. Here's the second shelf. Then there's just one screw in each corner to attach these to the frame. And same with the top one. Now we're just going to line the top up and bolt it onto the frame from underneath. And there's just 6 of these screws, so it's pretty simple. Finally, put on both hooks. There we go, it's all finished. And the timer says it took just over half an hour. Overall, that was a pretty easy build. And a couple things I want to point out is this tabletop is actually one solid piece, which I really appreciate. I really like the look of the rustic wood laminate, and it goes great with this black metal frame. The desk has these leveling feet, which are really nice, a spot for your PC, a smaller shelf for something else that you can also remove or lower down to here, and then these hooks over here for a pair of headsets or a bag or something. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this desk.